How to fix snapshot camera problem. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your snapshot. Just watch this video till the end. So now and first you should go and open the settings of your phone, and after this what's next, you have to open apps or applications. Here you have to search for snapshot only, and then when you found snapshot, open it like this. And what's next guys, you have now to go to storage and click on clear cache. Here don't click on clear data and go back, click on force stop and click OK, and now go to this permissions option. And what's next, you have to click on camera, and you have, if it is not allowed, you have to click on allow only while using this app, and that's it, your problem will be fixed correctly. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.